Greetings, co-conspirators. Andrew here from Absolutely Criminal. And boy, oh boy, we have a new development in the Sarah Boone case, like we needed one at this point. But this is kind of a shocker. We're going to read this motion that was filed in the court today, August 30th. And it is a motion for continuance. Apparently, it says Sarah has retained counsel. Now, I'm not sure how it's going to blow over with Judge Kranick. Let's just go through it. It's defense motion for continuance comes now. The defendant by and through the undersigned attorney under Rule 3.190F of the Florida Rules of Criminal Procedure and requests this court to grant a continuance of the 3-week jury trial set to begin October 7, 2024, and alleges, 1, the defendant is set for trial by jury on October 7th, 2024, the date we were all looking forward to, I'm sure. 2, the defendant has just retained counsel and a notice of appearance was filed on Friday, August 30th, that is today. Number 3, 38 days remain before trial. 4, defense counsel has met with the defendant 4 times at the Orange County Jail, August 20th, August 21st, August 26th, and August 27th. Wow, so they've had 4 meetings in the past week or so. Number 5, during these meetings, the defendant disclosed potential exculpatory evidence on her phone in the possession of the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Evidence includes photographs, videotapes, calendars, text messages, notes, and witness names and numbers. The evidence will potentially corroborate her anticipated battered spouse syndrome defense. So there we go. That's what she's going to use or intends to use in her trial as the battered spouse defense, which made her bend George in half and put him in a suitcase and leave him there to die while she went up to bed and passed out. Number 6, undersigned counsel has spoken with numerous potential expert witnesses covering a range of possible defenses. Counsel is also actively vetting several additional experts upon directives from interested parties. I just wonder what these so-called experts can uncover that would help Sarah Boone. 7, it is the professional opinion of counsel that the retention of one or more of these experts and the development of the aforementioned defenses is a crucial and necessary component of the defendant receiving full and competent representation and due process under law. 8, based upon the conversations that have occurred, counsel has learned that proper diagnosis and development of said defenses requires time, not only for administering appropriate testing, but also the necessity that any expert testifying on behalf of the defendant be given adequate time to establish a trusting relationship and then be allowed to apply the analytical tools to the information developed from interviews with the defendant and supplemented with historical and documentary information from third parties. 9, this process, as described to the undersigned counsel by renowned and respected experts, cannot be accomplished in the time available before trial. It's only been 5 years that she's been sitting in jail. The notice must be filed by September 7th, 8 days away. So I'm no lawyer. It doesn't look like the trial will take place on October 7th. It looks like we are going to have a delay here. Number 11, the defendant has been deemed indigent for costs. The defense will need government funds to assist in paying experts. Number 12, defense motions will need to be filed concerning the potential Brady material. 13, the defendant has a right to be represented by counsel of her choice. The defendant attempted to solicit private counsel after the court's order dated June 28th, 2024. She has tried to solicit private counsel. The defense counsel responded to her advertisement. Wow! It says that the defense counsel responded to her advertisement and was retained. Oh, wow. I can't believe that's in an actual motion before an actual court. 14, the defendant is not trying to delay proceedings or abuse the process by retaining counsel at this date. 15, the defense certifies this motion is made in good faith, and then it goes on to explain the rights under the Sixth Amendment on the next page. And so we have confirmation. James Owens, attorney at law, had responded to Sarah Boone's ad that she placed, and it's here on the screen right now. You see, it's quite a advertisement for Sarah Boone. 8 attorneys down. This is number 9. We'll see what comes of this. They're going to have to go before Judge Kranick and explain themselves. So stay tuned. That is coming soon, hopefully. But it doesn't look to me we're going to have a trial on October 7th. It looks like we got a delay, but I could be wrong. I hope I'm wrong, but this is the way it stands right now. All right. Thank you for watching Absolutely Criminal. We will be back soon with another video, and let the darkness come alive.